Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your StraightTalk account. So, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Okay, first of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in www.straighttalk.com and press enter on your keyboard. After pressing enter on your keyboard, as you can see, this is our official web page. You can scroll down this web page to investigate this web page. Let's scroll up. To activate your account, you have to log in first. Click on this button over here. Write in your email address into the login area. After that, do this CAPTCHA. And then click this continue button, and that's it, guys. Let's get back to our page. As you can see, there's an activate button over here. Click on this activate button. After that, choose your device. You can choose StraightTalk phone, keep your own phone or tablet, your home phone, maybe home internet router, remote alerts, mobile hotspot, car connection. Choose one of them. I'm going to choose this one. Do you want a new phone or want to transfer a number? I want to keep my number. Choose this one. Write in your phone number over here and then click continue. After that, enter your device's email over here. After entering your device's email number over here, click on this I have read and agree with StraightTalk terms and conditions button over here. And then click on this activate with eSIM or activate with physical SIM. And that's it, guys. That is how it can be easily done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like these. Thank you for watching.